Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for those that have subscribed. The likes and the comments are amazing. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I'm just bringing you content for my Tesla Model 3 and some installs that maybe you guys can find helpful. On another note, remember that lighting kit that I installed, I think like a month ago, and it's probably the best lighting kit on the market? Well, Lighting Bug Tech did it again. They just sent over a additional set for the door trims, guys. So now you'll have lights from your door trims to your dashboard, and it'll be flush, and it'll be amazing, and it's gonna look so good. So I'm done talking. Let's get to some installing. All right, let's get into it. I absolutely love how their slogan is illuminating your Tesla journey, because they do a dang good job at it. First off, we're going to have your control box, which is where all of your wire harnesses connect to. Then we're going to have your two lighting strips. Onto this blood pressure looking thing to help you remove the door panel. All of the screwdrivers you'll need, and two trim remover tools. And the harness that connects to your control box. So pretty simple, guys. It comes with all tools included, which is a plus. Most kits you have to buy these separate, so thank you for that. Now on to the fun part. Right here is where we are going to be installing the lights today, and you're not even going to know they're there. First up, to take off the door panel, we're going to use this flat head to remove one of the three screws underneath this reflector plate here. It's a hex screw. I used a screwdriver for that to make it easier on myself. And one down, two to go. The next screw is underneath your door open button. And the third and final screw is underneath your window buttons. Next, we're going to be taking off this little speaker with our trim removal tools, and it just pops right off. I did not unplug that. Next, we're going to use this little device here, which I think looks like a blood pressure reader, to help us pop out the clips on our door panel, and there you go. I kind of scared myself here. And carefully go around, and they should all pop off. These are where the door clips are going to be inserted, so you want to make sure you know where they are when you reattach your door. And this is what the inside of a Tesla door looks like if you haven't seen one before. Next, we are going to pry off this little piece on our door panel where we're going to be installing the lights. So carefully remove this little sound deadening, whatever Tesla tries to do here. Just carefully remove that. It pulls up and over some plastic clips. Then we're going to get one of our lights, and now we're going to thread it through the very last hole on the door panel here. And carefully place your little sound deadening back to how you found it. Once you get started, you're going to want to insert the light in between your door and the trim piece area, and you're just going to wedge it in there until it is nice and neat. I had to use some force. Apparently Tesla wanted to make this the most complicated, well-built part of my car, so it took me a little bit of time, but once I got it in there, it looked beautiful, it looked seamless, and I barely noticed that they are there. So a little time, a little patience for some of you, and for others it might just easily pop in there. So I like to go back and check my work and make sure everything is great before I move on, and this all looks amazing to me. So on to the next step. Reapply this door trim piece right here. Make sure you hear a few pops and it is secure. Next up, it's time to feed the wire from the door panel to the inside of the car. To do so, remove your speaker. It is, I believe, 8 millimeters here, and you have 4 of them that you need to remove. And make sure you just carefully take your speaker out from the clips, unplug it, and there you go, speaker off. Now this is where we're going to be feeding our wire through. We're going to want to have to remove this plastic protective piece here, both the top and bottom. I used my trim piece removal tool to prop it open. In order to get access to the inside, you're going to want to take off this little triangle piece on the edge here, then this rectangle piece as well. Remove the clip you see here and pull back the rubber trim. We're also going to be removing the bottom trim piece that covers our wires next to our doors. It just pops right out. Now we are going to use our trim piece removal tool to open this little rubber piece here, and this is where we're going to be threading our connector wire through. I got a fishing wire here that I taped it onto, made it nice and secure so that while it's going through it doesn't slip off of my fishing wire and I end up losing it. Just take your time here, be patient, and keep working with the rubber cover over there and your fishing wire, and you should be okay. And once you're all the way through, just pull on the inside and you're good to go. Once you're done, don't forget to put back this little rubber piece how you found it so that no water or any liquid substance can get inside. Then screw back on your speaker. Now that your wire's on the inside, you're going to want to thread it through here along the trim panel piece right here. I tucked it under that white plastic right there, and you won't even know it's there. And I also thread it down the side here next to my driver's seat. I put my seat all the way up so that I can fit my hands through to get it underneath to the back. Once you're in the back, you're going to want to pull the wire through and thread it across your AC vent to the other side. Now remove the AC vent cover, just like the last time when we installed all of the other ambient lighting. Unplug the control box and plug in all the new lights into the proper location on the new control box. I'm taking off this bottom piece so that I can thread the connecting cables through pretty easily. I unplugged the AC vent cover, and I also unscrewed this plastic trim piece here so that I can just place my wires in there easily. Now to check to see, hey, look at that, they work. This looks already amazing. I'm super happy with the way it looks. Seamless installation, I barely know it's there, and the lights just look amazing. So let's get back to cleaning up and finishing on the other side. When you get back to putting this reflector piece on, put it on where it says up. There's a little logo on the back and it can tell you which way to go. Clean up your wires in the back, make sure they're all hidden, and repeat for the passenger side. Thanks again, guys, for liking, following, and commenting. I really appreciate it. I hope my installations have helped a lot of you guys, and this ambient lighting kit is the best on the market. It's hilarious because they actually had another company copy their entire website and Instagram profile, and I called them out on social media and they blocked me, so I find that hilarious. So this is the best lighting you can get for your Tesla Model 3, Tesla Model Y pre-refresh version. Look at that, guys. Seamless on the door panels with the dashboard kit. This is freaking fantastic. It is beautiful. I'm thankful for you, Lighting Bug Tech, for allowing me to install this on my vehicle and trusting me with this. Yeah, guys, if you like this, go ahead, code M3Jazz, hook yourself up. If you have the kit already, get these door panels pieces to complete your set. And like always, be blessed, take care, and I will see you guys on the next one.